Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries, guys. Hope you enjoyed the way that little racing started off. It's freaking Friday, guys. Turned out to be a pretty nice day. The wind has chilled out a whole lot, thank God. I think the rest of the weekend's supposed to be decent because the wind has been murdering us. I had a blast. I didn't go out there to push it 100%. I just went out there because I wanted to just show off the car and show off Off-Road Diaries. And so it was fun, though. I always love racing the short course track. I don't ever race with the expectations to win. Fortunately, Colt had a little boo-boo. These things happen. What can you do? Roll it back over. Babe, stop!
You're coming in my house.
Oh my God, my wife's attacking me. Oh my God. Oh my. Ow! Ow! That hurts!
Everybody knows you never go full reach.
Ow! Okay, enough. As you can tell, I am in an abusive marriage. In case you guys ever see me bruised up or anything, you know who did it. Let's go get started with the day. Well, we've already started with our day. It's kind of halfway through, but shout out or kudos or congratulations to Matt. Super proud of you, buddy, for winning the short course race. You definitely deserve it. You're a good driver and you got a good car and you just wheeled the heck out of it, man. So really proud of Matt, man. Ow, 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 stop, stop. Oh my God, now we gotta, okay. Oh, you're shooting a Marine, bro. Aurora, I'm trying, ow, you shot me in the eye. Okay.
All right, you guys, we're gonna do a little ride out to the ocean. We've all got our Cardos hooked up and connected. And we're gonna do a little recording of our audio because Colton's riding with Aurora. So we're gonna record our conversation today, share it with you guys. It's gonna be fun. Oh, ow! Burn!
We're going to the ocean, right?
Yes, just make sure to watch for other cars.
That scared me, you guys.
You're scaring me.
Oh my God. Tree.
Oh my God.
I gotta admit, man, riding with the Cardos on is actually really fun. It is. What's up, guys? So you probably noticed I missed a Monday video and you're probably like, man, you sound like crap. Krista got really sick and then we came back to Utah and I caught, like, the smoke killed me. And then I caught what she had on top of the smoke killing me. And I'm doing so many things. I'm supercharging a car right now. And I'm like trying to record stuff. And we're literally going to St. Anthony's in like 48 hours. And I'm just trying to catch up on the editing because I was so sick yesterday, me and Miles both, that we just laid in bed almost the whole freaking day. So I apologize about this. This video is going to be a little wonky, just some riding and some quickness, and then I think that I'm starting to be recovered at this point. I just don't have a voice yet, so we'll jump back into the video. We're going to do some riding. It's going to kind of cut off a little abruptly. I just want to tell you sorry I missed Monday, and I am genuinely sick, and Miles is, and Krista's thriving right now because she got over it already. So anyways, guys, got some really cool stuff coming up. Just want to let y'all know I'm sorry that it's all kind of weird and my voice is weird and everything's weird, but we love y'all. Thanks so much for watching. we were using our Cardos on that. Obviously, you heard the in-car audio, but it's like that's the first time we've ever done it with a group. It's echoing. I need to.
Hold on, we'll turn it off.
Like, she's got to learn to lead every once in a while. She don't have to, but it makes you a better dooner when you lead because you just learn. But yeah, guys, we don't wear our Cardos all the time. I'm not one of those guys that like tells you this, that, and the other and tries to convince you to buy something or don't. We do use these sometimes, mainly just with me and Krista, but like that's the first time we've done it in a group ride setting, and that was a blast. Colt was over there calling out things, and it's funny because the only people that actually made it to the beach are the people that were wearing Cardos, which is ironic. So
you gotta film this. I'm gonna go grab Aurora and take her into the ocean.
Oh. We almost had you. Almost had her. Oh my gosh, that was fun, you guys. It was busy out there, super busy, but nice to kind of get a little break in between all the racing and everything and just relax and ground in the beach and listen to the ocean waves.
Oh, I got so much content this trip. I'm so glad.
Such a good trip, you guys.
All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. We just got to St. Anthony's. I've got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. I'm actually headed back south tomorrow to go back to Utah, finish up this car and grab it. But I brought Krista and Miles here. We got camp all set up. Honestly, I don't feel like I'm going to give you guys a good quality video right now. It's 1:15 in the morning. I wanted to get y'all something to watch for Wednesday. I'm going to cut Friday out of this week. I'm going to edit and work on Sunday's video throughout the rest of the time here, but we're here with friends. I am feeling a lot better today, thank God, finally. But I think it's the right move to do because it's either give you quantity or quality, and I like to try to give you guys both, which usually I can do. But right now, I'm just gonna be honest, I can't do that. It's just gonna be a chopped up, not good video. So we got lots of recording. I've got tons more footage from Takeover. So at least 2, maybe 3 more Takeover videos coming. Then St. Anthony's, 4th of July. We got some awesome people we're here with. Our friends are coming from Arizona up here. It's just going to be a really good time. And I like to spend time with our friends too. So what I'm going to do is start working on finishing up Sunday's video. So y'all have a good Sunday video to watch. And then I think I'll be able to jump back into the schedule of things for Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays and Sundays and all that good stuff. So sorry, there's only gonna be 2 videos this week. Hey, it's like our old schedule. We used to only do 2 videos a week. So other than that, know that you got a ton of awesome videos coming. We got so many things planned for 4th of July. But thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'm gonna keep recording, so don't think there's not any more videos coming. I don't want to give you guys garbage videos. I want to give you guys good videos. So hope you understand. Hope you have an awesome morning, afternoon, day, night, however I say it. And I'll see you guys Sunday. Bye.